wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? Yeah, it's truly, you know, 876 by birth, you know. Yeah, man, I'm up in the hometown, you know. Yeah, man, still there in New York, you know, people. You see me? Today is a beautiful day. It's a bit chilly, a bit chilly, but beautiful. If you ask any New Yorker how's the weather today, they will tell you it's excellent. I think it's in the high 70s right now. You see me? Yeah, man, it's in the high 70s. Right about now, me I head to CONEY Island. You see me? Yeah, them say boardwalk over there and beach over there, and I go look at it. You see me? Brother, you like green and him move like in love, man. For the man walk, drive up in car. But anyway, people, yeah. We're outside, as me say, up in the hometown. You see me? Yeah, I'm there down the hometown. Donald, big up yourself, you see me? Yeah, man, Donald Thompson, big up yourself. You say they over in a canary over there, so bless up yourself. You don't know the thing, you see me? Yeah, man, so per day. Mad respect, my brother, you see me? Yeah, man. So as me say right now, I'm about to head to CONEY Island, you see me? Long time I want to go to CONEY Island. Every time I come, I want to go to CONEY Island. But you don't know New York thing set up. Certain places only open certain time of the year. And this are one of the places. And even right now, the beach them not officially open, you see me? They might tell us say on a lifeguard and they're on duty and all them things. And who the hell goes to the beach in the winter? Well, I guess maybe people do it still, but you see me? Yeah, you know we live a yard, we not really used to that. We pull up at the beach anytime, any hour, any day. Yeah. You see me? But as I say right now, we up in the hometown, you know. And we are head to this place, yeah. Go check it out to see where I go. I go down nice subway, people. You see me? So I don't know the thing. They up in our hometown, you know, as I say, you know. Yeah. In our hometown. Big up all the other people from New York, yeah. You don't know the thing there, is it? Yeah. Alright, people, just like that. We feel like we reach, you know, people. So, I'm there in the train. We're kind of there up on one platform, like me showing you. Like, see the road there, over there, so. Sorry about the angles of the camera, people. Remember, I'm just a bit back used to this, you know, but see the road there over there, so you move up on the platform, and people actually, way over there, so. I mean, I see the ocean. What is that? The Pacific Ocean, this is the Atlantic Ocean. I don't even know. But, yo, I reach people. You see me? I don't know what they over there for do. Like, I've never been there. I just always hear about it. So, I reach. You see me? Yeah, so this is how I actually come off. Ocean Parkway. Alright? Yeah, so I walk. Yo, like people who know me, know I'm not really too impressed by New York. Like, the thing where I love the most about New York City is the transportation. See? That's what I actually love the most about it. the damn transportation. You know, some probably should have exit. I exit that way, yeah. I'm turning back here. The thing I love the most about New York, yeah, I have one plastic bag in my hand. If you don't watch my last video when I go into the Bronx, so I'm telling you that I try to look at bag, I know I still not get the bag. Well, to be honest, I never really go a road. You see, because as I say, from that day there, today now become today are the next best day. So I never to go a road. So we are part of a plastic bag, yardman style. Yardman style, so we are part of a plastic bag, you see me? But what you pre though, no? What you pre though, see it? I go buy the bag. I go buy the bag. You see me? Yeah, I buy the bag. But yeah, as I say, like people who know me say I'm not really too impressed by New York City. Like I honestly think it's overrated. Sorry New York, I'm sorry. But yeah, I think it's overrated, you see me? And train I come be nice I can make. Oh yeah, and train I come look. See if you can see it. See there? It'll go back which part me I come from. Yeah. This is actually to the Q train people, you see me? So yeah, the thing what I mostly love, what I love the most about New York City is actually the transportation. I love the fact the transportation is 24 hours. Like you can't dip on the road and stuck. That's all I love. On weekends, on holidays, it might be a little bit slower, but I love it. You see me? Yeah, I love it. Hey, I'm pretty good. Yeah, I love it. You get me? So yeah. We got the police officer them. See them there looking nice. Yeah man, police they both. You know, most of the train station them always have police. You hear the nice people? Yeah. You hear the nice train that are run above me. But yeah, the thing I love the most as I say about New York City, their transportation, like you can't stop. On weekends and holidays it might take a little bit longer. When they have track work I do, it might take a little bit longer, which they mostly do the track work them on weekends. Same way for holidays and later night, you see me? So you know that bad. But anything else, like I'm not too fascinated. You see me? Yeah, I'm not too fascinated. But it is a place to see though. It is a place to see. However, saying all of that and having that as my thing, as I say, people know me know say this is my thought on the city. But riding the train for come right just a while ago, I tell you the truth, it's fascinating. It really fascinating. Like I think me see a different side of Brooklyn I never yet see. It's not really uptown still, but it look a little tip cleaner than which farm I did there. Isn't it? Look a little tip cleaner than which farm I did there. But it was fascinating. Yeah, sorry, it was fascinating. I'm not gonna tell a lie, yeah, it was fascinating. Isn't it? Anybody who design New York City and the people who design the subway, I know them say black people are mostly slaves did actually work on the subway. I don't know true, I don't know the history, I'm not from here. But whoever design it, yeah, I rate them. Mad respect goes out to them, you see me? Cause it no something there, you see me? Yeah man. It nothing there. Hold on. May I get a call to people? Hello? Yeah. And I can see the beach. Yeah, I'm gonna go over that side. It's over by the beach, that's where you have the boardwalk and thing, right? Alright, I'm gonna go over there. Call me when you get off, alright? Alright, cool. Okay. Alright then, cool. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry about that, people. But yeah. What did I say? I don't even remember what me did I say. Anyways, yeah, people, we're there. So some fruits and them little thing they are selling right there. So you see me? When you look at dirty people at Jamaica where I sell grape for so much money, you need to stop it. And you see the price? Work it out. A Jamaica grape for at least 12 bills a pound, I think. See? And that's a $2 a pound. I don't know them grape thing here. It's seasonal. You see me? When there's a lot, it's cheaper. When a little bit, yeah. You see me? My thing a seeded grape though. I like grape with seed. Yeah, every fruit, I like fruits and seed, but yeah, that's over there. I'm about to take it down here. Yeah man, I'm about to take it down here. Them two look like twin while ago. Oh yeah, remember when we talked about who build the something there? Who design New York City and the subway? Yo, me I tell you man, big up on yourself. Like seriously, big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah. It's fascinating. Like I always know the subway fascinating, you know, based on all the train them running all them thing there. And you know it depends on some of the bridge them, all them little thing there are rare, you see me? Yeah, it's fascinating. You see me? Fascinating. Sort of like, you know, you lay on an airplane a fly. You know, you see, you know, you say, yo, Jano Star. Man kind of really genius, you know? Yeah. So, big up the people who actually do this, you see me? Big up the Almighty too, where, you know, inspire them, give them the knowledge, creativity to do this, guys. Yo, trust me. So, I think New York earned a positive strike in my book today. Yeah, just by seeing this side, I think it earned a positive strike in my book today, see me? But as I say, like my place, Florida. Give me Miami, Florida, all day, every day. South Florida. The farthest would I go up north in Florida, probably West Palm. But I don't think I'm going nowhere above that. You see me? There are other places that I've seen were nice to other citizenry, but they compare to the weather, the atmosphere, everything. South Florida, my place. More gonna say Los Angeles. So whenever I see that, then we can talk about it again. But yeah man, see there, outside, me there on the hometown. Who live over here so? Yeah, the hometown with them father. Father be there on the hometown. Yeah, the sun out. You see me? So now, we have my shots and thing, you know. Yeah, man, big up Rika, big up yourself. Me that message Rika earlier until I say, yo, you know, outside and thing, you know, it's kind of nippy, but then I'm shots same way, out the door. You see me? But me about to go see this beach, yeah. About to go see this beach, yeah, people. Long time I want to see this. For all the years when I come here, so I always say I want to go Coney Island, but I say sometimes they are winter and them place are lock off. You understand? I see all sun. this are not the real sun. Them are sun another Palm Beach at Jamaica. This sun look like sun we use make house. Yeah. This sun look like sun we use make house. This one look like beach sun. But yeah. The boardwalk this, and that out there is the ocean. Yeah, but they have a journey, you know. Yeah, it's gonna be a long ass boring video. So channel like, you see me? Yo, bless the people, you see me? Princess B, like everybody, bless upon yourself, you see me? Yeah man, all of the people I watch, you see me? Yeah, big up on yourself. Jacqueline, bless yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Enough love goes out, man. You see it? Yeah. People out there start play all volleyball. Oh my gosh, people, I hope it's not too windy. I hope you not hear me good. I do apologize if the sound is awful. Can't help it. But I know it probably windy because the wind is blowing in my ears. But yeah, whole heap of wobble double there to people. Yeah, the alphabet crew them out, you know. I know. You don't know. This is America. Body do their own thing and live their own life. Is it? Yeah. I look for a little access before I go out on the beach. Watch your old brother down there, so no shots and sitting. I don't know if I try to show you because I'm not going to see the man in the shots and thing and you see me. And him towel and everything. People that play beach volleyball. So you can imagine all for holiday in the summertime, you're supposed to cock. Yeah. You're supposed to cock. As I tell you, you can look in people. I mean, some people are getting them t-shirts and shorts like me. Some people in them jackets, see me. Like a umbrella, I'm in a t-shirt and shorts. But you can see, say, them people and them are white people, them in them jacket and something still, you see it? Yeah, because as I say, it's still kind of chilly like, and then it's windy, so you can feel it. And it's high 70s right now. I mean, no high 70s at Jamaica, not like this. Me a burn up and a sweat. Yeah.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us. Or maybe it's just me. There's trash out in the sea, yeah, but I'm just too dry to reach it. So speak sincerely, cause I'm still waiting, yeah, for you to come around and save me. Will you stay with me? I'm lost here in America. Will you stay with me now? Cause I'm lost here in America.
And some building, yeah, apartment. I know say this a New York style of building apartments, this brick looking style, which I'm honestly not a fan of, but it is what it is still. Yeah, that's one of the things them two women too like about the city. Yeah, it look too old. I like the fresh, clean look, you see me? Yeah, I like that look there. And I don't like the cold. Everybody will know this. Say me is not a fan of the cold. You see me? I have a park over here. So I'm showing you the park then. Because old brother there over there so I play some music. I don't know what kind of music, but no YouTube kind of funny, so I'm definitely not even gonna try go near you. But park you know say them full of park over there. And them fully cage up. Yeah, them fence up, but it don't look like cage. But yeah. This is the park then. So the park them looking at most of the community then. I see me. Yeah. What may I say still, like, it's one of the things I like with first world countries. I mean, the boardwalk are nice, it's not extravagant or nothing, well, so far. You know, I see some little thing down there, so if I left some little cafe or some little shops or whatever they don't there still, but I always say this. I'm turning on the camera. So I always say this. Oh, the sun not affect it. I'm turning by the way. Because the sun there and I'm hoping not be a problem. So I don't want it to be a problem. But yeah. People see the life hard everywhere. Rubbish pan that the man has search, yeah? Life hard everywhere. So you Tristan love ask me, yo, you would want to leave Jamaica for a better life. yo, you have to water grass by your side. Yes, other places will give you greater opportunity, which I do agree, but and every time you jump up and think say, yo, the grass really green over there, you have to water your grass. Is what I say? Yeah, man. And I agree, yeah, you live in Jamaica, you have to work out 3 times as hard to make it. While if you didn't want a first world country, you know, it will be a little bit easier for make it if you decide for work. Because the thing is, you can be in Jamaica and don't work, you see me, and survive. But in a first world country, you can't survive. And if you not work, and if you not work, the survival where you go get, as in living off a government and them little thing there, you go live a mediocre life. You see me? But anyways, back to me, that's it. Like, as I say about first world country, my like is them kind of do things like them have simple attractions, things that you would think is nothing but is something great. Because just like this, a boardwalk, people just gather, people come walk, run, exercise, ride bicycle like that umbrella. You see me? People do a lot of things. Come sit down, look out, whole heap of things. You see me? And music I play down there, you know. But yeah, people come do a whole heap of things, you get me? And I think it good. You see me? Yeah, I think it good, I think it nice. And I ever said it's like Jamaica can do a lot more with where there is the thing they will have in terms of attraction. Man, I play music, you know. But yeah, them can do a lot more. Because alright, that's why when I see when them build the Negril sign, the little sign down on Negril, and people go take picture and them little thing there. My only problem is the amount of money where them say them build it for. Which me think that was everybody's problem still. But me not knock them for do them little thing there, because you know, you don't go to other countries, you go to Belize, you go any other country where you go, they have signs and stuff put up with people go there go take picture for say yo them did there so. So I think that the Negril thing was a really good thing. You see me, I not to knock them on that. But I ever say like down a town down this up on the waterfront, on Ocean Boulevard, just like how you see all them people here. Right, this man here sing. Yeah, like how you see them people here sit down out there so. I think say it's a good thing. You see me? Yeah, I think it's a good thing. You can't talk to this, my friend. But yeah, I think it's a good thing she do a white girl dance now. White people, no disrespect. But yeah, I think it's a good thing, you see me? I mean I say like don't a town now have the little, you know, waterfront there so. I mean I see them a try with it, but way more can be done. Way more can be done with that. I'm not gonna lie to you now. Whole heap more can be done with that. You see it? Them can do a whole heap more thing. Like as I say, right, salute a little shop there, little thing there. You see what I say? Yeah. Way more can be done. Down at town, you see me put up some little attraction, some little thing for people come. Just come like, you see me? Walk and hang out and them little thing there. I mean, cause people don't already go down there hang out. If you go down there at night time, the car park them full, all sort of thing. You see me? All sort of thing. So people don't already go there go hang out. But set up the thing. You see me? As I said, this is what I really love about first world country. Them really put things in place for the people. You get me? Yeah. And I always said it's like I see some country do a whole lot with less. You see me? Some things on places where I see we have and we just low it up so. You see me? I see countries with way less than that do way more. You see me? And then how Jamaica stay, you know. A man we see the beauty in something and set it up on this side and say I run a little business and then they hear say oh them shut him down because XYZ are. And no, I don't support lawlessness and I think so everything should be regulated, but you don't shut it down without Nothing. And I like you come in and you say, yo, come on train, you know, upskill some little training array and make the thing better for no one. No, them just clamp it down. You see it? Yeah, them just clamp it down, my people. Sorry if I chat so much tonight, but you know my thing already are chatting, so yeah. But yeah, them just clamp it down. And me I tell you, like, you can't, that demoralize the people, that make the people, you know, yeah. That make the people get demotivated, more for say. You see me? Yeah, body not too interested. Body not too interested to do things already. You see me? So this, even though as I say, not that extravagant, I'm pretty sure you have other boardwalks where nicer than this in America and other places around the world. But this right here, so me appreciate it. You see me? And I'm not even an American. So as a tourist, me appreciate it. You see it? Yeah. As a tourist, me appreciate it, people. Not gonna lie to you. And Jamaica need to start putting some more of them things in the country for the people them. You see me? Yeah, need to do that. For all of the people them. Yeah, man. You see it? That's how I think still. My little 2 cents, you know? Yeah. But it's a CONEY Island Avenue. That's a nice still. I know you can just sit down and look at shady tree them there. Which you even too need no shady, you know, cause it's cold. So when the sun out, you still I feel chilly. But this is nice. That me I try to tell you about them little thing here. So as I say, the whole something they sign where them they put up. The something they sign where them they put up, it wasn't that bad. I just the amount of money for it. You see me? Yeah. Piece of tinning and some riveting it and some spray paint. Need to stop it. I tell you, pitney them could have make way better than if you give one class that to make it split up a class in a group and tell them to make that as a project. I mean, at a primary school pitney, all 5th grader, 6th grader, them could have make that. Give each of them a letter, split them up in a group and give each of them a letter. I'm pretty sure them could have make that fee. They remember how much million Jamaica so them pay for that sign. But that is ridiculous. You see me? Yeah, ridiculous. But yeah, Jamaica, implement some of them things. Some more of them things, a lot more. Ferry run across from the airport to all Port Royal. That should even stop. That should even stop. That should always a run. People want to go to the airport. Like me up on the subway and all heap of places and so much people me say come on. We are going to the airport. It's easy to get to the airport. You don't even have to drive, you don't even have to call out an Uber. You can take public transportation. Yeah, it might be a little bit more tedious, but it can be done. A while ago I come is a freaking air hostess on the subway. You see me? Yeah. Air hostess. And I know here in New York a lot of people them take the subway. Everybody take the subway. You see me? Yeah. So yeah, we know that go on. So I just say, yo, you know, Jamaica, we need some more of them little things. We need some more of them little things. Telling you the truth. You see me? I almost reach the end down here so still. I know I see some plane that take off down there, so I don't know if maybe one airport they close to there, so I'm not sure. No, maybe one airport them. One airport they close to there, but I don't know which one. Because honestly, no people, I'm not even sure which course I'm on or which angle I'm there. But being free in the sun and see like the sun has set over there so behind me, I feel like I'm there on the east side. Yeah. So I feel like I'm on the east, on the coastline at the east side, or like the, what would I put it now, southeast side. That's what I feel like I'm there. You know, I think I have a pretty good sense of direction, but I could be wrong. When we reach home, so I gotta look on which part Coney Island is on the map and see if I was right. But as I said, I could have been wrong still. If I'm wrong, not to knock me, you know. But that's how I feel. Or I guess when the sun go down some more, I will see exactly the direction where it go, and then I know exactly where I'm there, because I know the sun setting in the west. So yeah. Then we see like some land there over there, so but I don't know. Like it far, you know, people. Like probably the camera not show it properly still, but it far. But I know what over there. I know. It look like house over there, but it not look like house. It more look like commercial buildings. But me don't know how exactly still. Oh yeah. Alright people, so they have it, you know, little walk along the boardwalk. You see me? If you want to see like the extended version of the whole walk, like make a post that in a different video. So you see me, but right about now me about to catch a train, go back in my side of Brooklyn. I plan for probably go on Jamaican restaurant, as me that said earlier, go get some food to eat. Because I'm hungry people, I'm gonna eat from morning, you see me, and I even know see the sun I set over there, so it's over one part. You see me? So yeah. I don't know if when I reach, I might show you how in a restaurant set up. I don't know. Like when I say, I might full of people and I push up my camera upon the people them like that, you see it? But if I don't show you, And I saw the video done. Big up on yourself. Do remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and know the good thing them want to do. I already know YouTube work, you see me? Yeah. And yeah, big up on yourself, everybody. Where they are, you see me? Yeah, big up yourself. If you watch this on the premiere, big up your damn self, you see me? Yeah, man, fire it there. You see me? Yeah, man, you hard bad up in them country, but you see it? Big up on yourself, people, you see me? Don't know the thing, 876 by bird, lick a bit.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us. Or maybe it's just me. There's treasure in the sea, yeah, but I'm just too dry to reach it. So speak sincerely. Around lately, the world seems to be the same. There's only room for the privileged.